So I know most of you are like, why onion oil? Why onion oil? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Golden Roots. So in this video, I wanted to show you guys how to make this amazing onion oil. So it's obvious some people are always like, question mark, I use onion oil for my hair. Is my hair not going to stink? Is my hair not going to smell? How's my hair gonna be? How is it gonna be? And you're like, okay, but you have this right in your kitchen, so you can make this anytime. All right, you just need onion and coconut oil. These are the two things I used, and then I also used Juniper Berry essential oil. So that's just to kill the smell, because that's what I prefer to use. You can use tea tree oil, you can use peppermint, you can use whatever you like. I wouldn't recommend any fruity sort of essential oils, because onion is very strong. It has a very strong smell. So if you're using like the minty sort of strong essential oils, I would recommend tea tree oil, peppermint, or Juniper Berry. And this is just my own recommendation. If you prefer to use any other essential oils, that is also okay. So this oil has so many benefits. I'm first of all going to show you how to make it, because we're making this, and I want to show you how to make it, and then we can talk about how to use it, because people kind of freak out when they hear that, oh well, I'm going to use onion oil on my hair, or how am I going to smell? It's all about what you put in it, how you use it, and it will be explained at the end. So if you're new to my channel, remember to subscribe and thumbs up this video. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for tuning in. We're here for all the natural good stuff, so let's stay tuned. All right, so let's get just right into the video. Alright, so I'm starting off with one medium onion, and I'm going to cut this and peel off the first layer of the onion. And then I'm going to dice this up because we're going to need to blend it. So I'm going to blend it in just a normal blender. If you have a faster blender, that's even better. So I'll cut and dice this up. So first I need to just scoop out the coconut oil, and I'm using 3 tablespoons, so I managed to scoop out 3 tablespoons. And then after this, I'm going to pop in the microwave for 30 seconds. It melts right away. So in a blender, I'm going to place the onions, and all the onions, by the way, everything that you've cut. And then I'm going to add that coconut oil that I melted, and I'm not adding all of it. I'm going to leave a bit later for frying the onion paste, so I'll show you guys. So that's what I'm left with, and I'll keep this for later use. So I close the blender, and I'm going to make sure that I blend it until we have a very thick pasty texture, and I'll show you guys in a bit. So this took longer to blend and to get to my texture because of the type of blender I'm using. If you have those Nutri blends, that's much faster. So that's the texture we need before we start frying the onion. So I'm going to use that coconut oil that I had left over, and then this is what's going to help us fry the onion paste. You don't have to use this at high heat, you can use at low heat, and you're going to pour and place the paste into the pan, and you make sure that it's frying for a good 15 minutes. Keep mixing it so that it does not burn underneath. I just speeded up this process because there's no point showing you everything that I'll be doing. So until it gets to a kind of brown texture, then you know that, a brown color, then you know that it's ready. So I have a glass bowl, and this is where I'm going to place a cheesecloth, and then I'll be able to filter out the oil from the onion paste. So that's the color I had after 15 minutes of frying the onion paste, and we're going to squeeze out all the oils, and that's the oil we need for this tutorial. So one other thing I wanted to mention, because I noticed I didn't say it, is that onion nourishes your scalp, and it also helps improve blood circulation and ensuring thicker and stronger hair. So I just forgot about the scalp, and I just wanted to place this and show you guys. So carefully remove the cheesecloth from the bowl and squeeze out all the oil that's in it. The reason why we're using a cheesecloth is because we don't want any residue in this oil. The oil has been infused in that onion, and that's all we need to use it. So I have a small bottle that I'm going to use to place this oil in. I usually use a small bottle because I make small batches every time, and this is the bottle I'm using and a little funnel that I'll place the oil in. The essential oil that I'm using in this is Juniper Berry. I prefer Juniper Berry peppermint, like I mentioned, or tea tree oil because it helps kill the scent of the onion. And if you do try it, comment if it also worked for your onion oil, because this is my preference, and I love Juniper Berry with the onion oil. So store your oil in a little container, and then you're done making your onion oil. So onion oil is really high in sulfur, and that means that it can be treated for any bald patches, like I said at the beginning of this video, and it can also be treated for anyone whose hair is thinning. So if you have hair that's thinning, you should apply this oil into your hair regime, because it really does help, and I swear by it, guys. I swear by it that it is going to work for you. So first things first, if you have thinning hair, you make sure that you're not stripping your hair a lot, because if you have thinning hair, you have to use, it means that you do less shampooing and more conditioning, and making sure that your hair is well balanced and has more nutrients than it has less nutrients. So if you do shampoo your hair regularly, it will kind of keep on drying your hair. It will keep on stripping all the oils. So make sure that you actually do not shampoo as much. So now this is when the onion oil comes in. So I made this oil using just 1 onion and 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, and that's just it. And it's going to stay like this, and this can last me a while because I'm not using too much. Oil is something that you apply to your hair right before washing it. So the other thing I wanted to suggest is that I've been using it also as a hair growth kind of oil, where I apply it to scalp before a hot oil treatment. So this also helps me in a way that it will treat my scalp and as well as the hair follicles. So if you ever do hot oil treatments, you also can use this oil. And then also one other thing is that if you already have an onion spray, then use the onion oil as a hot oil treatment. You don't have to heat it up so much. You don't want to lose the nutrients. You can apply as is and just wear a plastic cap over your head overnight, and that's it. You wash it off the next day. So this is how I use my onion oil. And also one other last thing I wanted to say is that it helps, onion oil, because it has sulfur in it, helps balance up the pH in your hair. So it's really been beneficial to my hair, guys. My hair is like much stronger, it's thicker, it's got volume, it's I don't know how to say it. I'm happy with my hair at this moment in time. So I actually just wanted to come on here and share with you guys how you can actually use this oil to promote hair growth. And also, since we're in the lockdown, I'll try to challenge you to use it at home. If you know that you're not going anywhere the next 2 days, 3 days, you can apply this to your scalp. So that's another tip. And if you have tried this oil, comment down below. And I know that there are other people who use other ways of there's other ways of making onion oil, but this is what I wanted to share with you guys. And if you'd like a demonstration video on how I do this, then do let me know in the comment section below. So until next time, I have to go and try and make this oil, and remember to leave a comment down in the comment section. And I just wanted to show you guys how thick my hair is now. It's been so good, like, you know. So it's quite long now, so it's quite beneficial for your hair. Like, I've really seen a lot of changes in this hair regime, whatever you want to say. All right, I kind of have stretched my hair. So if you'd really like to try and see how this oil will work for you, then do try this oil. I promise you, sis, this is the business, okay? So if you're new to my channel, remember to subscribe and thumbs up so you see videos like this. If you're already subscribed, I really appreciate you guys, and thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. Next time I'll be back with more good content for you guys. Stay blessed. Bye.